Did you know you can set a custom ringtone and text tone for your contacts, along with custom vibrations so that you know who is messaging or calling without having to look? While adding or editing a contact, scroll down to ringtone. Here, you can custom set a ringtone and vibration for when they call. Below ringtone, you can do the same for when they text. While we are in here, did you know you can allow specific contacts to bypass all do not disturb focus modes and the silence switch with emergency bypass. It's right in the same menu to custom set a ringtone and text tone for a contact. You can store someone's address and birthday in their contact card on your iPhone for easy access. If you easily forget birthdays, it'll automatically remind you the day of that person's birthday and how old they are turning. While adding or editing a contact, you can scroll down to the bottom and tap on Add Field to add additional information such as a nickname, maiden name, or job information. And last but not least, you can organize your contacts into lists to keep track of them in an orderly way, such as family, friends, and work lists. Simply tap Lists, then Add List, name it, then open it. Tap the plus, then add existing contacts or make a new contact and tap Done to add them to the list.